So could you really tell the difference between a planetarium and the real world? I don't know. But there has to be a reason why they do what. And again, I use the term they. I don't even know who they are, so I'm just going to be careful here. But this is a very, very, very elaborate, global. If what you say is true, and again, I'm being very neutral here as a physicist, but if what you say is true, there is a tremendous amount of resources pumped into, like, faking the moon landing is, yeah, sure. Could they do it? Yeah, I could probably do it now with some technology, but back then it was probably a little harder. But I guess the question is, like, why the hell are they doing whoever they are doing all this? But we'll get to that. I'm very interested in these things you're showing me because they actually look a little bit crazy. Not that you're crazy, but they look so bad that.
All right.
Do you want to see one more?
Angel,
sure, man. Bring it on.
Throw it up.
Bring it on. I love this stuff. This is what science is all about. You have to question things, right?
Matthew, again, another compliment to you. You are actually using science and admitting.
Well, this is science.
Yes, I appreciate it.
Like, you have to, people thought Einstein was crazy until he wasn't. People thought Newton was crazy until he wasn't.
You know what E equals MC squared means?
Yeah, energy is matter times the speed of light squared, yeah.
No, actually, Einstein married his second cousin twice.
Oh, God. All right, boys.
All right, check this out. Okay, so can you guys hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
This is an actual, real time lapse of the stars from the ISS from Don Pettit. Now, on a globe, if you're on the globe and you're spinning, and therefore it creates the illusion of the stars spinning. Okay, so now we're flying around the Earth at 17,000 miles an hour, and we're looking at the star trails. Now, watch. There's a major problem in this. Okay, when it faces towards the north of the ball, let's say, so these lines here on the Earth are going sideways. But why are these star trails still doing circles? You see that? Why would they be still doing circles if you have to be attached to the Earth and for that to be spinning? Do you see the problem here?
What are those lines going east to west? Is that that's the spin of the Earth?
Yeah, so this is the ISS flying in space above the Earth, but these star trails are still doing circles. That's impossible.